Hello everybody, this is Gummy, and today I want to get you an update on this door closer. This one, I preloaded this door closer, and that's all I did. Because I thought the latch was fast on this door closer. Well, it's not. So, watch and learn. Nice, slow, sweet, and watch this. The latch is actually slower. I don't know how. I didn't know that. I always thought this thing had a fast latch. So every time I'd watch this, it would close faster at latch. But latch is slow. If you want, I'll get you an outdoor view. There's the latch. And one more time, then that will be it. So anyways, that'll be it.